Here we are, 475 South Fairview Avenue in Burbank. I got the camera going in through a 4-inch clean out that's in one of the bedrooms near the back of the house. Now the carpet is pulled up here, and underneath the carpet there is some wood. The wood's been pulled up, and it appears that there was an addition done here. So where this clean out is actually on the old brick patio. So they did an addition and kind of built a room over the existing clean out. So what you're looking at here is the city connection. Sewer goes out the back of the building. The city tie-in here is in the alley in the back of the building. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull back, show you the condition of the line from here all the way back to this bedroom where I'm cameraing from. So right here is the connection at the city. And this pipe here is about 7 feet deep in the alley. And you can see there's roots right at the last joint there, right before it dumps into the city. This is a 6-inch clay pipe coming back toward the property now. Heavy roots inside this 6-inch lateral. Now we're back to a 4-inch pipe on the property. This is in the dirt, about 5.5 feet deep. Heavy roots as well in the 4-inch pipe in this area. Clean out now. There's a clean out here. This is in the bedroom. underneath the carpet.